Looking for the best dash cam in 2026 to protect yourself on the road? Whether you want crystal clear video, better night vision, parking surveillance, or full cabin monitoring, choosing the right dash cam can make a huge difference. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best dash cams in 2026 based on video quality, features, reliability, and value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. REDTIGER F7N Touch. This dash cam combines everything most drivers want: 4K front recording, STARVIS 2 night vision, rear camera support, touchscreen controls, voice control, GPS, and super fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi downloads. The included 128GB card adds extra value right out of the box. What makes this stand out is the balance of premium features, ease of use, and performance. The touchscreen interface makes daily operation much easier compared to button-based systems. Pros: excellent 4K recording quality, touchscreen interface, voice control support, fast wireless transfer, strong night vision, great value package. Cons: parking mode hardwire kit may be separate, touchscreen can show fingerprints. For most drivers, this is the best overall dash cam in 2026. Number 2. Vantrue New N4S. Vantrue has built a strong reputation in the dashcam market, and the N4S continues that trend with premium 3-channel recording and STARVIS 2 night vision. One standout feature is Plate Pix technology, designed to improve license plate readability, especially in motion or low light. It supports up to 1 terabyte storage, which is huge for long recording sessions. Pros: premium build quality, excellent low-light performance, Plate Pix improves detail capture, massive storage support, reliable parking mode. Cons: higher price point, display is smaller than competitors. This is one of the best premium dash cams available right now. Number 3. 4K plus 2K plus 2K triple channel dash cam. This one is perfect for drivers who want front, rear, and interior coverage. The 3-camera setup gives extra protection for rideshare drivers or anyone concerned about inside cabin recording. It includes dual-band Wi-Fi, GPS, night vision, WDR, and emergency G-sensor locking. The included 128GB card adds immediate value. Pros: triple camera system, high-resolution recording, great for Uber and taxi drivers, strong feature set, large included storage. Cons: app interface may vary in usability, more power consumption. If you need cabin recording and road coverage together, this is a solid option. Number 4. REDTIGER F7NP. This model offers 4K front recording and rear recording powered by Sony STARVIS 2 technology, which dramatically improves night performance. The 170-degree front view captures more road area, while WDR technology helps balance exposure in bright and dark environments. Fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS tracking make it easy to review and manage footage. Pros: sharp 4K front recording, excellent night vision, wide-angle coverage, reliable GPS tracking, includes memory card. Cons: no touchscreen, parking mode setup may require extra wiring. A strong choice for users wanting premium video quality without overspending. Number 5. BOTSLAB 3K 4-channel dashcam. This is one of the most feature-packed options on the list because it offers a full 560-degree all-side view with 4 cameras, making it ideal for rideshare drivers, family vehicles, or anyone who wants complete coverage. The 3.18-inch touchscreen makes navigation simple, and built-in GPS plus fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi makes video transfer quick and easy. Voice control is also a nice bonus for hands-free operation. Pros: excellent 4-camera coverage, touchscreen display, voice control support, strong parking surveillance features, comes with a 128GB card. Cons: video quality isn't true 4K, installation can be more complicated. Overall, if full coverage matters more than ultra-high resolution, this is an excellent pick. So, that was our list of the top 5 best dash cams in 2026. If you want the best overall value, go with the REDTIGER F7N Touch. If you want premium 3-channel recording, the Vantrue N4S is a fantastic option. And if you want complete all-around monitoring, the BOTSLAB 4-channel system is hard to beat. Check the product links in the description below if you want pricing and more details. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more top tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.